Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here we are going to talk about this amazingly beautiful Django based food ordering application, the name of which is Tomato. Yeah, you heard it right. So it's a clone of Zomato, right? And how this application works, how a person can order food on this application, how he can place order. That's what we'll be talking about in this tutorial. So there are, different types of dishes the user can order for himself. Okay, and how the dishes can be increased, how the user can check out the dishes, how he can create his profile, all that stuff we will be covering in this tutorial. So stay tuned with me. Let's not waste the time and straight away dive into the tutorial. So I am going to first show you this login page, okay, where the user can simply enter his login credentials and sign into the application. But before that, he need to sign up. Okay, he need to register his profile. So how he can do that, let me quickly show it to you. So I've already created a profile with name Gaurav on this application, but for you guys I'm going to begin from the scratch. Let me do it from the scratch. So I'm going to create a profile with my daughter's name, which is Mitakshi, and here I'm going to register his profile. Okay, so once the user registers his profile, he comes on this particular screen where he gets to see different types of food he can order on the application. If the user want to log out, he can simply click this icon and he gets redirected to this screen where he can simply put his login credentials again and he can log in like this. Now, if he doesn't enters the correct login credentials, he gets to see an error message. Okay, and this is the home screen. So here we can see, we have some dishes for the starter. We have four different dishes in the main course, and then we have four different dishes in the dessert. Likewise, you can add, more dishes just by modifying the front end of the application. If you want to have, let's say, 8 dishes in main course, and you want to include some more dishes and you want to include some more groups like sweets and all, so that also you can do if you know how to modify, how to create the backend of the Django application. So it's basically the Bootstrap, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML that has been used for creating this front end. Now I'm going to show you how a user can order food. Let's say we want to order 2 plates of Manchurian. So we just have to click this twice, and automatically, here, the number will increase from 0 to 2. And you can see here the cart also has now 2 items in it. Okay, likewise, we can add some more items that we want to order. So let's include paneer tikka, 1 plate of paneer tikka, 1 plate of Manchurian soup. Okay, let's go down. 1 plate of fried rice, 1 plate of biryani. Then we can have 1 plate of gulab jamun, right, and one scoop of ice cream. So we have 8 items in total in the cart, and let's come on the cart and see what all things do we have over here. So we have this complete, order over here. And now if we have to place the order, we just have to click this complete order button, and the user gets to see this kind of animation, right? It's a GIF image basically that has been used in the background, and this is what the user comes across once he's done with placing the order, and he gets redirected to this screen again, and the cart automatically becomes 0. Now if you want to place another order, you just have to select the dishes like this, right, and then you can simply come on cart, and again you have to just click this button to place the order. So here you can see the total, here you can see all the items, and the total quantity and the price of each item as well, right? So that's how this application works. It's a very very basic application, right, which you can use, which you can use for telling people how Django's front end works and how Django works basically, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this application. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Definitely, this channel is going to help you guys a lot. You can find different types of projects on it. And if you want to develop things like this on your own, and you don't know how to do it, then you can take my coding classes. You can take help from me. Okay, if you are a beginner, you know about Django, you know about Python, and you know about other types of stuffs also like React, Angular, which are very popular technologies today, which people are using for developing the front ends. But you don't know how to use it basically for developing these kind of applications. So you can take my classes, you can take help from me in your projects. I'll be happy to help you guys out. Thank you very much for being there in this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead, guys.